Hi, neighbor. I'm Daniel Tiger, and I'm part of the cat family. Speaking of cats, do you remember Kitty? She was a big part of Tiny Treasures, and we miss her so much. But we have a big surprise for you today. Let's go have a look. We'd like to welcome our kittens to the Tiny Treasures family, and so would Daniel Tiger. Hello, Poe. Can you hear her purring? And here is Lala. These two are sisters, and we adopted them from an animal shelter. We picked them up in a crate so we could get them home safely. Their first night home, they felt very comfortable playing with their new toys. They even learned to share. We cut them up some organic chicken. They were very hungry. The next day, the kids went to school, and I stayed with the kittens as they wrestled each other. They loved to play together. Be gentle. And when they're all tuckered out, sometimes they even sleep together. They're always purring. They are very happy, friendly kittens. And we want to be gentle and loving and take good care of them. We'll never forget Kitty. We loved her very much. She will never be forgotten, and we cried many, many tears. She provided us with so many laughs and so many memories. And now we decided as a family, it's time to create new memories with these two little sisters, Lala and Poe.